We're at 91,248 miles on the 2024 RAV4 Hybrid. And we just got the tires replaced, all four. It's a Firestone all season. I got four of them. They were $147 each. Total came to, I think, $782 for all four. They're rated, I think, at 55,000 miles, rated for 55,000 miles. So if you've been paying attention to the channel, you know how much I drive. So we'll get there relatively quickly. And they sound a lot quieter because the previous one had one tire that was wearing unevenly because I didn't do the tire rotation. But this time I will do it at 5,000 miles, and hopefully the tread wear will wear evenly and the alignment will stay intact.